To subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to that's how you start now.
Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, Fatimat and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually I have my little cousin here with me. Let me allow her to introduce herself properly to you guys. What's your name?
My name is Fatima Dauda.
So guys, her name is Fatima Dauda, but we call her Talatu. Actually, she was born on Tuesday, and that's why we normally call her Talatu. So let me tell you guys how it happens. Actually, guys, my granddad, whom I so much love the most, he passed away. That was 8th of May last year. I so much love him. He means everything to me. He passed away. So when we went home, like to pay a visit, that was when I met Talatu, and she's my first cousin. So that was when I met Talatu. The first day I saw her, I felt that in me that she's going to be a very good girl. And this one of her attitude, let me explain. One, she's very jovial. Secondly, if she did anything wrong and you question her, she don't get upset. She's very good. She's a very good girl. So my mom picked her up and bring her down to Kaduna State here to stay with us. I love her so much, so she's been disturbing me. Auntie, I want to be on your channel. I want to be on your channel. And why you guys been saying, Mary J. Black, we want to see transformation of you? Okay, fine, guys. We will be the one on this channel today having a switch makeup challenge. When I say switch makeup challenge, that means I'll be having Talatu's foundation on my skin, and she'll be having my own foundation on her own skin. Yo guys, I will have the two best makeup artists on ground. So you guys should please stay tuned and see how this transformation is gonna look like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comments, give this video a thumbs up.
Fatih, say give this video a thumbs up.
Give video a thumb up.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to that's how you start now.
Hit on the notification bell
If the notification
for more of our interesting videos.
Bye bye, video.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Guys, let me show you guys the outfit we'll be using today. This is the Ankara we'll be using today. I love this Ankara so much. It's so beautiful. Actually, I saw a lady today at the market. She's wearing something exactly like this, just that hers is a little bit lighter than mine. And this Ankara is a gift from a friend of mine. She gave me this Ankara that I need to like it. So fine, that's what we'll be using today with this Odibo. We call it Odibo. That's from Kogi State. That's what we call this. And at the same time, we call that's this turtleneck top. Yeah, this turtleneck top. We bought it from the market also. So that's the costume we'll be using today, I and Talatu. So you guys should please stay tuned. That's what we'll be using today. Let me show you guys how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I love this Ankara so much. Actually, it's a gift from a friend of mine, as I said. So now we pieces the Ankara just the way we want it to look like. Miss Muhammad, good. We'll be needing like one yard for the gele, then two yard for the wrapper. Bam. So this 2 yard and this another 2 yard, then this the 1 yard for the gele, and this the other 1 yard for the gele. Actually, Ankara comes in 6 yard, guys. So you guys should please stay tuned. It's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. Peace out. guys. Party, what's your name?
Fatima Dauda.
Your name is what? Open your voice. They
My
can't
name
hear.
is Fatima Dauda.
Oh, wow. So tell them what's the name of your school, your age.
The name of my school is Benin Primary School.
Your age?
My age is 10 years.
10 years old. Very good. 10 years. So, Talatu,
Ma,
why is it that why you don't like school? Why you don't like to go school?
because of coffee day.
Coffee day, no. Even before the coffee, you know they like to go school. Why?
They play and they do lesson for house.
Even before the lesson, yeah. But you don't like to go school. Why? Tell the audience the truth.
Yes.
Why now?
Because I they play for house.
Eh? So you dey play for house?
Yes.
You don't want to dey go school because you dey play for house?
Yes.
Eh.
Sweet now.
Now she don't like to dey go school. Why be like any day they will mention school you go start to dey sick? You go call me. So it's because of play.
Yes.
You know that she don't fat now.
So why
she
did
no
they
dey
call
go
you
school?
Talatu?
However, I thought say no. It's just say go call me the latter. Now that say me no call me they call me Fatty.
Eh. So when they call you Party?
Yes.
Okay, so no problem. So what's the name of your school? Talatu,
Ma,
what's the name of your school? Your state?
it's local da.
Which kind of business are they do for Lokoja?
They say dry fish.
You see your face? Like all those old winch where they acting for Yoruba film.
You face, so I don't want my makeup.
Close, oh, blow with your clothes. Say keep your face. Wow, let me continue this makeup. All my thoughts, I'm looking so beautiful.
No.
Ah.
And Fatty is looking good, okay?
Party?
Ma,
God. I can only see my teeth, guys. Talatu,
ma,
when you dey go back to Lokoja?
I'm not going to go back today.
Eh?
Because they will send me
Who dey send you?
all my mother for the house.
Oh, that Lokoja.
Yes.
Then too they send you.
Yes. I'm going to see.
So you don't like Lokoja because then too they send you, huh?
Yes.
So Baba here Kaduna, she know too they send you.
Did they send me?
They know they send you away like Lokoja.
Yes.
We said run from Lokoja.
Okay, you're from Lokoja too.
Basa.
Basa.
Oh, Basange.
Hey.
Thank God. I thought it's Basakon.
Basange, my grandmom, she's Basange. Basange.
Run from Lokoja.
We run, oh. So
run.
Fatima thought say she know they go back.
So even Lokoja.
Say she dey sick if then they send her.
Say she then too they send her.
They send them to me.
Sick.
She dey sick. So here Kaduna they know they send her. Abi?
Yes.
Talatu they know too they send you back.
Yes.
But what I like the state, right, is that they are all minding their business. Everyone is minding his business.
Sure.
One line.
So Talatu,
Ma,
what will you want to become in future? Okay, what do you want to be for future?
Makeup.
You want to become a makeup artist? Yeah! I have another makeup artist on my channel who will happen to be my cousin. So you guys should please stay tuned.
So you did want to make up me, ba?
What? So Balamin can't see me now. If my father see me like this, doing with tears, guys. Wants to be a makeup artist, we need to support her. Abi Talatu,
Yes.
you say you want to be what?
Makeup artist.
So guys, Talatu wants to be a makeup artist. Actually, I'll be having a makeup artist on my channel. Cousin.
So Fatima or Talatu. If you become a makeup, okay, Fati go. Fati, so if you become a makeup artist, who will be the first person you do makeup for? Oh, you. Okay. So after you, who? Me. Hey. After. Yeah, you do makeup for your mother.
Yeah. But how do I look? I fine. You fine. Thank you too.
Okay, I like this girl, she's sharp.
So Fati, what's the name of your best friend?
Bashira.
Basira.
Bashira.
Okay.
Sadatu. Rama.
Yeah.
Rabi.
Rabi.
Adam.
You have almost 5 friends or 4. 4. You said who? Bashira. Who? Again?
Rabi.
2,
Adam.
3. Abdurrahman. You called Abdurrahman. Okay, 4 friends. That's nice.
Abubakar.
5. To be honest, you guys look good, honestly. You guys look good.
So guys, this is the end of the video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and please comment down below. Tell us how I look. And Fati? They know your name is Fatima Dauda. They should please tell you that you look what? They should please tell you that you fine, ba? They should please tell you that you look beautiful. So they should not forget to please subscribe.
Subscribe
to our YouTube
channel.
Hit on the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell.
For more of our interesting videos.
Mama, I've just seen videos.
And please give this video a thumbs up.
And please give this video a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And don't forget to show us some love.
Don't forget to show us love.
It's still your favorite girl,
You see yourself like that.
Mary J. Black
Mary J. Black.
and Fatima.
Baby.
It's a beauty.